Here I have HTC U12 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So firstly, you should hold down power key. When the turn off menu appears, you have to hold down your finger on power off. Then it suggests you to reboot to safe mode. You just tap OK and device will be restarted in a safe mode. As you can see, the sign here says safe mode, which is the proof that we're in a safe mode. So if you want to quit this mode, just restart your device and it will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.